New Jersey is one of the most tenant-protective states in the country, and its habitability laws are extensive. If you're a landlord in the Garden State, you need to understand multiple layers of regulation, because New Jersey doesn't rely on just one statute to enforce habitability. The foundation of New Jersey habitability law comes from common law. The New Jersey Supreme Court established the implied warranty of habitability in the landmark case Marini v. Ireland back in 1970. This ruling held that every residential lease in New Jersey includes an implied promise that the property will be habitable, and the landlord cannot contract around this obligation. On top of that, New Jersey has a robust set of statutes and regulations. The Hotel and Multiple Dwelling Law governs buildings with 3 or more units and is enforced by the Department of Community Affairs through its Bureau of Housing Inspection. The New Jersey Administrative Code, Title V, Chapter 10, sets out detailed maintenance standards for multiple dwellings. And local municipal codes add yet another layer of requirements. Under New Jersey law, landlords must maintain the structural soundness of the property, provide adequate heating. New Jersey requires a minimum of 68 degrees Fahrenheit from October 1st through May 1st. Supply hot and cold running water with hot water available at a minimum of 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintain plumbing and electrical systems in safe working order. Keep the property free from pest and rodent infestations. Provide working smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Ensure proper ventilation and adequate natural light. Maintain common areas in a safe and sanitary condition, and provide adequate security measures including working locks on all entry points. What makes New Jersey particularly rigorous is the inspection and enforcement system. For buildings with 3 or more units, the Bureau of Housing Inspection conducts cyclical inspections, typically every 5 years, and landlords must register these properties with the state. Failing an inspection can result in fines, and serious violations can lead to relocation orders for tenants at the landlord's expense. New Jersey tenants have strong remedies when habitability standards aren't met. They can withhold rent, and New Jersey is one of the states where rent withholding is a well-recognized remedy, though tenants should deposit the withheld rent into an escrow account to demonstrate good faith. Tenants can also pursue the repair and deduct remedy, report violations to local code enforcement or the Bureau of Housing Inspection, seek rent,